Hello everyone! Today we're going to make this clear picture frame. To make this frame, you will need to print out this page from my printable kit, which is available in my Etsy shop. I will include the link below. First, cut out the center piece along the lace line. You will also need another page cut out the same size as the frame page, which you printed out, and use the cutout frame as a template and cut out the center of this white page. You will need a clear plastic. The size will be ½ inch around, larger than the window. And then put glue around the window and glue the plastic on the window. After that, we need to attach the other piece to the back side of the first piece. And now here we have it. It makes a very nice insert for my junk journal. Attach a piece of pattern paper from my printable paper as a back side of the frame. This is how it looks. And then glue 3 sides to this journal page. Leave the top side open so I can insert a card or photo.